this one, right? You need to slot it into this. Click this in. I suppose it's like that. So right now I'm going to install this thing into the ceiling. So just slide this thing into the mount. Try to find drill holes that can fit the ceiling mount so that you don't have to drill new holes. It is also important to have the wall plug fitted into the hole so that the mount can be safely secured. Connect the neutral and live wire to the respective socket. For my room, it's the 2 black wires and the grey wire.